It was this moment at Vancouver International Airport almost 2 decades ago that sparked a furor. 4 RCMP officers seeming to rush to taser Polish immigrant Robert Dziekanski. He died. It later emerged he was no criminal, just unable to meet his mother, distressed after being lost in the airport for hours.
This tragic case is at its heart a story of shameful conduct by a few officers.
That was the finding of a public inquiry. 2 of those officers convicted of perjury. Though a new report from Ontario's provincial police called Project Eastbourne tells a more nuanced story. Some of those officers made a complaint of obstruction of justice against senior members of the RCMP, so the Mounties called in the OPP to investigate.
This is allegations against 3 previous commissioners of the RCMP. That's pretty well as high as you get in terms of investigations, and then deputy commissioners and on and on. So this is a little unheard of, actually.
Among the complaints, withholding information and documents that could have put those officers' actions in context and failing to investigate those complaints. The documents could have supported the officers in their legal battles, with the OPP saying they were deemed to have followed RCMP policy, the incident management intervention model, and their training. The report notes that the case became highly politicized, one reason the province of BC considered leaving its policing contract with the Mounties. When former BC Solicitor General Cash Heed told this to former RCMP Commissioner Bill Elliott, the report says Mr. Heed was advised that he was under investigation by the RCMP in relation to allegations of violations under the Election Act. Mr. Heed was cleared. On the BC government side, the report says former Attorney General Wally Opal attended a police interview with an inquiry witness, something one interviewee told the OPP created a horrible and toxic perception. The OPP ultimately cleared those senior Mounties, many who have retired, as the impact of this moment lingers decades later. John Woodward, CTV News.